Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link lost media on Capcut PC. This common issue can halt your editing progress, but don't worry, the solution is straightforward. When Capcut can't find your original files, it marks them as missing, preventing you from exporting your project. We'll walk through the steps to quickly reconnect your media, ensuring your creative flow isn't interrupted. Let's get your projects back on track and ready for export. When you open a project and see red exclamation marks on your clips or a media lost message, Capcut is telling you it can't find the source files. This usually happens if you've moved, renamed, or deleted the original media after importing it. The program remembers the old path, but the files are no longer there. Don't panic. Your files are likely still on your computer, just in a different spot. To relink, right-click on any missing clip in the timeline or media pool. A Link to Media option will appear. Click it. A file browser window will open, prompting you to find the missing file. Navigate to where you moved your media, select the correct file, and click Open. Capcut should then relink that file and often automatically find other missing files in the same folder. To prevent this in the future, always organize your media files into a dedicated project folder before importing them into Capcut. Once imported, avoid moving, renaming, or deleting these source files. If you need to transfer a project, copy both the project file and all associated media to the new location, maintaining the original folder structure. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your workspace tidy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.